It comes as a huge surprise because, in addition to the official unveiling of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, we also know the zoom length of the device's new camera model. With 4 cameras arranged similarly to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but with different numbers, this is the recent official camera module for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. An upgraded 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2SX sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and 2 telephoto sensors, one with a 10-megapixel optical zoom and the other with a 50-megapixel optical zoom, will all be included in the S24 Ultra's features. In addition to the figures, Samsung has packed the S24 Ultra with some insane AI functions. There will be 4 distinct zoom lenses on it. We will use the 200-megapixel sensor for 2x, the optical 3x sensor for 3x, the 5x 50-megapixel sensor for 5x, and so on for 10x zoomed-in shots. We will also get a space zoom at 100x using the 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor. Even this new 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor will be similar to 10x 10-megapixel zoom quality. Additionally, the night mode performance on this S24 Ultra will be great. A universe claims that the S24 Ultra performs better in night mode and can identify 12 distinct objects with the use of artificial intelligence. This is yet another incredible image of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in yellow. In addition to the official and alternate looks of the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus, there will be 3 other color possibilities available, which are gray, violet, and black. Aside from that, this is how the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra vary from one another. Despite the fact that both phones finally have Quad HD Plus resolution displays with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, the S24 Plus's bezel appears significantly better than the S24 Ultra's. It's interesting to note that the Galaxy S24 Ultra spec sheets verify 2600 nits of extreme brightness for all 3 S24 series variants. The S24 Ultra's bezels, according to Ice Universe, will measure only 1.5 millimeters, making it one of the lowest bezels on a flat screen and the first Galaxy phone ever to have symmetrical bezels. As everyone knows, Samsung is fully committing to the AI features of the S24 Ultra. Ice Universe claims that the S24 Ultra has several update points, which explains why Samsung developers are always active all over the world. The official release date and time of the S24 Ultra have been leaked by leaker Evan Blast. He has revealed that the Galaxy AI will arrive on January 18th at 3 a.m. Korea Standard Time. However, it will arrive on January 17th in the United States. If the phone is going to be on sale on January 30th, you can place a pre-order for it. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.